It's wedding season, so that being said, let's dig into some fun DIY cheap wedding ideas on how to do an outdoor wedding. We all know weddings can be extremely expensive and outrageous. That being said, in this video, we're gonna give you a little fun, cheaper ways how to do things with outdoor weddings. So you can hopefully save a buck and maybe that money can go to a house or maybe even a fun little honeymoon. First things first, you can always do a backyard wedding. If you or your relatives or your fiance's relatives have a beautiful outdoor space, you can do a nice little outdoor backyard wedding. It's a lot more intimate and usually it's free, so that's nice. It saves a lot of money on the venue. If you're wondering, Emily, where are we gonna find the cute little chairs and all the cute little fun stuff? You can always thrift it. Go thrifting. You go to Goodwill, go to your local thrift stores, you name it. Look on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace has a ton of stuff that you can thrift for super, super cheap. So that's another thing that's super beneficial that you can always look at to find cute little things and cute little trinkets for your wedding. Let's talk bridesmaid dresses and wedding dresses. That is a huge, huge, huge expense normally. Bridesmaid dresses, you guys can always go with the same color, but you can even do different textures, which I think is absolutely beautiful, and thrift them. You can find them at Goodwill, you can use hand-me-downs, you name it, you can find it in the same color. Wedding dresses, same thing. You can find them at your local thrift stores because a lot of people honestly get rid of them. Let's talk wedding invites. Wedding invites, you don't realize how expensive postage is these days, but it is so dang expensive. So that being said, might as well keep your invitations digital. We live in the digital age. Let's just keep the invitations digital to save you a ton of money. And you can honestly make your invitations on Canva and send them out and it'd be beautiful. Next, you might be wondering how am I supposed to decorate on a budget? Decorations add up and can be dang expensive. That also being said is a lot of DIY. I know TikTok has a ton of ideas on how you can DIY arches, you can DIY opening signs, you can DIY pretty much anything to help save a buck. If you have a Cricut, it will definitely become in handy. If you don't, you can always buy those off Etsy too for pretty cheap. When it comes to flowers, you can definitely prepare a year in advance. If you want to prepare a year in advance and grow some nice wildflowers so they're in bloom, and then you can use those. Or you can always shop at your local store to get flowers. I found that if you go to Sam's and get greenery, their greenery is way cheaper than if you were to go to a floral place and get their greenery. Next, let's talk food. Food is always a huge thing. One thing you can do is you can do barbecue. Barbecue tends to be a little cheaper. Or you can even go to Sam's and grill out. If you're doing a backyard wedding, I think that's fun and a little intimate. It's fun to have a nice little grill out and have someone grilling there for you. If you're wondering about drinks and you're how do I go cheaper on that? Because the alcohol can get expensive. What you can always do, you can have 2 signature cocktails and just serve that besides your pop and your water and whatever else you have. But 2 signature cocktails, then you can bring in whatever liquor you want for those and just serve those. It will help save the cost, and plus it adds a little fun extra signature to your wedding. If you've always wanted a photo booth at your wedding or want something to save the night, you can definitely invest in Polaroids. Those go a long way, and plus everyone has them, and then you can put them in a book so you have a nice little keepsake for that. Or you can do a nice little hashtag and have everyone tag that in their posts, and then you can have everyone's pictures from the night and then get them printed off later in the year or later in the week, whenever you want to print them. So that's another way to save money. If you have any other ideas or tips or tricks that you did at your wedding and would love to drop them in the comments below, I would love to hear them. And I'm sure a ton of other people would love to hear them. And if you loved this video and want to have more content about how you can save money, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time.